Starting in the name of Allah, who is the most kind and most merciful. First of all, Assalamu alaikum. This is Maimuna, the student of level 1 class at Wisdom English Language and Computer Academy. Today, I want to share my learning experience at Wisdom English Language and Computer Academy. I joined Wisdom Academy 1 month ago. I thought English is very difficult, but Sir Hikmat made it very easy for me. I was not able to speak English, but now I can speak English very well and confidently. At Wisdom English Academy, the focus is not only on the grammar of English, but also on the language skills like listening, speaking, reading, and writing. So, I want to recommend Wisdom English Language Computer Academy. All those students who want to learn English language quickly and confidently. So join the Wisdom Academy and feel the change. Thank you.